Welcome to the corporation, employee insert name here. We've got boxes that need sorting, and we need you to do it. And make sure to be quick about it, or you'll be replaced by robots. Efficient, soulless robots. Human Resource Machine is a puzzle game that has an oddly misleading title because there's nothing really that deals with human resources at any point in the game. A better title might have been Introduction to Logic Puzzles, or maybe The Programming Machine, because that is essentially what you're doing over the course of the game, solving logical puzzles with algorithms. The gameplay of Human Resources Machine is extremely straightforward. At the beginning of any level, a conveyor belt gives you a small assortment of boxes that have numbers or letters on them. Your goal is to move those boxes to the outgoing conveyor belt. At first, it's just as simple as picking them up and then putting them down, but later things get more complicated. You'll need to sort the boxes, or add their values together, or make sure that only letters and not numbers are getting output. In order to accomplish these more complicated tasks, you'll need to build an algorithm from a set of simple commands. And at first, it's just addition and subtraction, but later on, it's more advanced things like conditional loops, or building arrays, or references. And all of this is what makes Human Resources Machine so interesting and so challenging, that it is, at its core, an introduction to programming. It's about solving problems using a series of logical commands. And for a game, that's both good and bad.
Back to work, everyone.
It means that the puzzles are simple and logical. It doesn't require learning any new abstract systems or strategies other than code optimization. But it's also not exactly what I would call fun. There is, I suppose, the accomplishment of solving a difficult problem, but it's not a game that you can sit down and play to relax. The closest comparison that I can actually think of is that of extra credit homework, where you kind of sitting there thinking to yourself, I can do this, but I'm not sure I want to do this. Come on. Ah, damn it. I suppose if nothing else, this game has given me appreciation for how good we have it now. I never knew true horror until I had to parse a set of strings using only addition, subtraction, and if-then loops. Oh lord, it's like freaking caveman code in here. I would give Human Resources Machine 3 out of 4 stars. It's an incredibly logical puzzle game with well-defined rules and a clear progression of difficulty. As for recommendation, that's a little trickier. If you're an adult, depending upon your background, you might find these logical puzzles either too trivial or too frustrating. I would, however, potentially recommend this for children, probably around middle school age. It is a fine introduction to programming, and its visual style means that it is a lot easier to conceptualize how to do things like build arrays or use conditional loops. Alright, thanks for listening. As for me, I'm back to the machine. For optimization never truly ends.
Congratulations, you've really become an invaluable instruction follower.